Hey friends, welcome back to the joyful space where we will explore dance and movement one playful step at a time. In today's episode, we're going to be doing an imaginary story. So without further ado, hello, my name is Miss Jackie and welcome to Learn Like a Child. For this exercise, we will be having an imaginary box placed on the shelf right above us. Then we're going to pretend that we're going to reach for it as high as you can on your demi points, like this. Now, we also have in our secret pocket a key. And inside this magic box, when we unlock it, it's going to be a ballerina, a musical ballerina. So here we go with how we do the magic box. You're going to look very tall and we're going to listen to see if anyone is around and listen. Now reach for it. Oh, I couldn't reach it. Let's try one more time. And reach. Oh, I've got it. One knee down, the other knee down. Place the box on the floor. Take your magic key out of your pocket. Now unlock it. Open the lid. Oh, it's a ballerina. Now we're going to stand up like this and turn with your feet together as close as possible. Now, I hear someone coming. Oh, someone's coming. Now, one knee on the floor, the other knee. Close the lid, lock the key, and place it back into your pocket. And let's place it on the shelf once again, and it's our secret. In this exercise, we have the musical ballerina, where her arms lifts above her head like a beach ball. Your palms are facing down towards your head. Shoulders are far away from your ears as possible. Now you think very tall. So let's try these arms. Let's just bring them down like butterfly wings. And lift and soft. butterfly wings. And lift and soft butterfly wings. Now for the next part, we also have a rise as we turn with our beautiful ballerina. Hands on your waist for this one as a practice. Think very tall. There's an imaginary string pulling you from the top of your head. Again, ears far away from your shoulders as possible. And take a little breath as you rise. And rise. And then down. And rise. And then down. And rise. And down. And rise. And down. One more time for practice. And rise. And down. And rise. And down. And rise. And down. And rise. And down. I didn't do that very well, did I? Now, if you wobbled like I did, it's quite normal. And because I'm demonstrating with you, and we're taking it at a slower pace, of course, there's the chance of wobbling a little bit, like myself. Let's put it all together now. So arms up and down. That's one part of it. The other part is the rise. Just for practice again, rise and down. Now, blending it together, up. Now let's try the turn. And then down. One more time. And rise. And turn. And then down. Now, let's put it all together.